everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great Thursday. Today's juice, I'm going to be making a cranberry, orange, and ginger juice. This juice here is really, really good for your immune system. It's good to flush out your kidneys and get rid of all the stuff that we just consumed over the past few days. If you're new to my channel, this is my Only Fresh. My name is Rebecca. Here on my channel, I make fun, quick recipes to make it easier to live a healthy life. For today's juice, I'm going to be using a whole bag of fresh cranberries, and we have 5 navel oranges. And I'm just gonna cut off one of these nubs here of ginger. Okay. All right, so I rinsed off the cranberries and I just opened the bag, put them straight into the strainer and rinse them. Okay, so cutting the oranges, I'm just gonna cut them in quarters. And then we'll peel off the skin. All right, just like that. This way is easier for me. I've seen people peel the whole orange and then throw it in there, or cut it like I cut the lemon. The ginger, like I said, we're just gonna cut off a little knob here. I think I said nub earlier. And I only like to use just a little bit of ginger because if you've ever eaten fresh ginger, it's very powerful. It's powerful in flavor and it's very powerful in what it is. We'll get into that in a second. This is a really easy and beneficial recipe to make. The combination of the cranberries and the oranges and the ginger is going to do so much to help your body fight infections. The cranberries themselves are good for your kidneys. They're good for colon health, heart health. The oranges, of course, are full of vitamin C. Oranges are also very high in B vitamins. They contain vitamin B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. And they are high in calcium, magnesium, and potassium. I don't know many people that don't like a good cup of fresh pressed orange juice. Ginger is probably one of the healthiest things that you can eat. Not only is it good to help you fight colds, boost your immune system, but especially going into the colder months, you know, a lot of people are going to start getting sick. The flu is coming back, pneumonia, bronchitis. Of course, we have the coronavirus. So with more reason, it's our responsibility to take care of ourselves, to take care of our bodies, to make sure that we give our bodies what we need to fight infections. I don't know about you, but I'm not just going to sit around and wait for a vaccine. We got to take control of ourselves. Ginger is really good too for helping people that suffer with arthritis or any type of inflammatory autoimmune disorder. It helps the inflammation in your body. If I wasn't making this video, I'd probably be eating these oranges right now. You know what? It's my video. I got this super cute little compost bin from the dollar section at Target. All right, just gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back.
All right, so here I don't know what happened to the footage, but I just put all 3 ingredients into the juicer and then came back.
All right, and now we have our big mason jar full of juice, and it would be perfectly fine to throw the lid on it, shake it up, and stick it in the fridge. But today I'm gonna take it one step further. I'm gonna strain off all the froth that we see here on the top just to make the juice a little smoother. Mason jar, I put it in this little glass jar that I picked up at a thrift store. I'm gonna take this along with my friend Andre to my friend's house for a game night. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you have a safe and beautiful day. And remember that I upload videos every Tuesday. Bye. Nope, I'm not gonna use that. also very high in vitamin